Hey kids! Hey Benaya, hello, what's up? So, I bought this great diecast tractor, farm tractor, and I bought 3 of the same kind, and that was the first that I opened. Well, I said about them, they were very cheap, like in dollars it's something like $3, and great diecast tractor. Really not. It's mostly plastic made, but you really can feel the difference because the plastic is it's a high quality plastic. Feel the wheels, feel the plastic. You can see that's a quality toy. See the wheels? That's great to find a thing like that in that price. That's a thing, really. And why exactly are you making this? Well, I just said it was that you are quality made. You are making this well. Well, it looks, you can see here that it looks cheap. Scale here is accurate, but looks cheap, but again, that's great. And this is metal, and the rest is totally plastic. Even you can see with cheap toys, you can't see the colors that well. You don't see a red plastic, that red. You see something fake. Looks fake. But this one is real. Really. What? Well, I think maybe when Aviatar, my great, beautiful nephew, will grow a bit, be like 3 years old, I'm gonna give it to him. It looks that he's gonna be a great tractor lover. So, guitar, this is for you. And now, let's put it aside. And what do you say? I think this is it. I think I'm gonna open the third one. Well, bye bye for now.